Hello students. In this video we are going to learn about how to turn off the computer. Okay. In previous video we have already learned about how to turn on the computer. Okay. In this video what we are going to learn, आप लोग अपने कंप्यूटर को कैसे बंद करेंगे, ठीक है? ओके, नाउ स्टार्ट. Okay, look at on your screen. You can see the picture of step 1. Okay, this is your step 1. Click on the start button. When we want to shut down our computer, then this is the step first, where we have to go start button. Okay, this is situated on the left side of the screen. Okay, now we will move on step 2. Okay, now this is your step 2. Look at the picture on your screen. In the step 2 we are going to click on the power button. Okay, here is when we click on the start button, here you will see the option power. Then in step 2 you have to click on power button. By the help of power button you will get the different options to shut down your computer. Okay, now in step 3 we will move on step 3 for shut down the computer. Okay, now focus on step 3. This is your step 3. Click on the shutdown option. This option is available on power button. Okay, there are several options. First is sleep, second is shutdown, third one is restart. But if you want to shut down your computer, then you have to click on shutdown option. That is available in second option. Okay, जब भी आप अपना कंप्यूटर ऑफ करना चाहते हैं तो आप पावर बटन में जाएंगे और उसके सेकेंड ऑप्शन को यूज़ करेंगे, दैट इज शट डाउन. ओके, व्हेन वी क्लिक ऑन द शट डाउन योर कंप्यूटर विल बी टर्न ऑफ. ओके, एंड नाउ स्टेप 4. व्हाट इज द स्टेप 4? This is your step 4. Okay, you can see the picture in step 4. What we have do? We are doing switch off the monitor. Okay, as you can see the picture, this is very easy step. What we have to do? Switch off the monitor. You know well what is the monitor? Monitor is an output device. Okay, output device, this is also called visual display unit on your computer system. What we are doing that also on your monitor. This is essential component in our computer system. Then step 4 you have to do switch off your monitor. This is your step 5. Look at on your screen. You can see this is the picture of UPS and we have to turn off our UPS in step 5. UPS, you know well its full form and its work we have already learned about in previous video. UPS, what is its work? Its work is it gives uninterrupted power supply. Okay, then you have to turn off your UPS in step 5. Okay, this is your step 6. What is the step 6? Switch off the main power supply button. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture of main power supply button. When we want to switch off the computer, then it is the important and final step. जब भी हम अपना कंप्यूटर शट डाउन करते हैं तो हमारा जो मेन पावर सप्लाई होता है उसको हम लोगों को बंद करना ज़रूरी रहता है. ठीक है, तो ये आपका फाइनल स्टेप है और ये इम्पॉर्टेंट है. जब भी आप अपना कंप्यूटर शट डाउन करें तो मेन पावर सप्लाई बटन को ऑफ करना ज़रूरी है. ओके, Okay, now students, it's time to recall all the steps to turn off your computer. Step 1, as you know, click on the start button. सबसे पहले आपको start button को click करना है. In step 2, click on the power button. Okay, when you click on start button, there is an option of power button. तो आपको स्टेप 2 में क्या करना है, पावर बटन पे क्लिक करना है. नाउ इन स्टेप 3 व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, क्लिक ऑन द शट डाउन ऑप्शन. पावर में आपको ऑप्शन आएगा शट डाउन का, ठीक है, तो आपको शट डाउन ऑप्शन पे क्लिक कर देना है. नाउ योर कंप्यूटर विल बी शट डाउन बट योर मॉनिटर इज टर्न्ड ऑन. देन स्टेप 4 व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, स्विच ऑफ द मॉनिटर. ओके, then in step 5 switch off your UPS button, and at last what you have to do, switch off the mains power supply button. These all are the steps to turn off your computer. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like this video please subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you.